Top of the hour, we have a shocking video that has been accessed from the national capital. A Delhi traffic police constable was dragged on the bonnet of a car for nearly 400 meters after he attempted to stop the vehicle as the driver was driving it rashly. The entire incident that has been caught on CCTV camera, where the car can be seen zigzagging through the lanes in Delhi's cantonment area in southwest Delhi. The constable, Mahipal Singh Yadav, suffered injuries after he fell off the bonnet. The entire incident that has been caught on the CCTV, as you can see, heavy flow of traffic, and with the traffic police constable trying to stop the vehicle, but it continued to drive on rashly. Going across to Sumi with an update on this. So Sumi, now this entire incident that has been caught on camera, any update as to who was behind the wheels and if any action has been taken?
Absolutely, Amita. It's a major incident that has come to light from the national capital, as it's a problem of the people of Delhi. Most of the drivers think that they are on top of the world whenever they drive an expensive car, and this is one of the incidents that have highlighted the false attitude in the Delhiites when it comes to driving, rash driving. In fact, the traffic cop who suffered injuries because he was in fact doing his duty, he was dragged, as you correctly mentioned, he was dragged for 400 meters after he attempted to stop the vehicle. And the person behind the wheel was zigzagging across lanes, which was very dangerous for the citizens who actually, who drive in that areas also. He was in fact driving in the cantonment area in the southwest Delhi, and the nearby people also. It was very, dangerous for the other citizens. But as far as to answer your question, yes, the person behind the wheel was arrested and booked for assault and criminal force to deter a public servant from performing duty and rash driving. A case under section 186, 353 and 279 and also 337 of the IPC was registered against him at the Delhi Cantonment Police Station as the entire incident unveiled there. But yes, we need to, remember this fact that a lot of people, in fact, end up doing this activity in the by-lanes and lanes of the national capital. And somewhere down the line, all these Delhi cops who actually perform their duties religiously, they suffer in the hands of these miscreants. So yes, it is a major incident that has come to light via CCTV footage, and it should be looked into, and the person has been brought to book immediately, which is a positive development. Yes.
Well, anything on the update on the cop? Because had he suffered injuries? Because if this accident would have occurred for a longer space, he would have been seriously injured, because car was already been driven rashly, Sumi, and also there were other cars around the very same area, so it could have been very dangerous for the cop.
He has certainly suffered injuries, and after he fell off the bonnet, because the car was being dragged for 400 meters after he attempted to stop the vehicle, and the driver was constantly zigzagging. So imagine the danger that the people who were driving in the nearby area had to go through. It was not only dangerous for Mahipal Yadav, who was the person doing his duty, but also for the other citizens driving in that area, riding in that area. There could have been multiple, accidents because of this rash attitude of the particular driver. So this has to be kept in mind, that in the national capital, these things unfortunately unfold a lot, and a lot less incidents. A lot more incidents should have come to light. But this particular incident has been caught on camera, which is why we know that Mahipal Yadav was constantly and religiously doing his duty. And in fact, he tried to stop the particular driver from zigzagging, and that's when the driver, the driver didn't want to, in fact, stop the vehicle. And in fact, respecting what the traffic cop was saying, he just dragged him for 400 meters. And it was a long distance when you, attempt to do something of that sort. And which is why the police constable who was religiously doing his duty in this regard, Mahipal Yadav, has suffered injuries. In fact, he has not suffered major injuries, but the injuries are there because the car was being dragged for 400 meters, Amita. And it is a very serious concern that should be brought, more in the limelight, because, yes, there are many rash drivers in the national capital, and they should definitely, be cautioned after this incident has come to light.
Well, the update coming in, Sumi, is that the driver that has been arrested and a case too that has been registered against him, because this is a case of rash driving, also putting an officer's line on who was on duty, putting his life in danger. It was just God forbid if something would have happened to him. He just escaped with minor injuries there. But it comes across as a lesson to one and all, especially when it comes to rash driving in the national capital. The national capital, which has been rather not very famous, or rather infamous for such kind of incidents. This is not the first time that we are witnessing such kind of accidents on Delhi roads.
Absolutely. As I just mentioned, that these sort of incidents constantly keep happening in the national capital, because the national capital is, national capital is such a city which has multiple cars, and a lot of people drive these sports cars who actually think that they are on top of the world, and which is why the zigzagging across lanes happen a lot often than we know. And this particular incident has definitely come to the fore because it has been caught in the CCTV camera which was installed there. But it is certainly very dangerous for the people who live nearby also. The zigzagging which had happened could have actually led to multiple accidents in that
this
particular
attempt
road.
to run over cop, he escaped with minor injuries though, but this entire incident that has been caught on camera of rash driving, the person who was behind the wheels, who was driving the car, has now been placed under arrest. Sumi, thanks very much for the update.